In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who visits your Instagram profile, step by step. We're using Instagram's built-in tools, so everything is safe and accurate. You won't see the exact names of visitors. Instagram doesn't share that information, but you can see how many people checked out your profile and how your individual posts performed. Start by opening the Instagram app. You'll land on your home feed right away. From there, move to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the lower right corner. This takes you to your grid, bio, and all the tools tied to your account. Next, tap the three-line menu in the upper right corner to open your settings dashboard. In this menu, choose Insights. This is where Instagram summarizes how your account is performing. If you don't see Insights, it may be because the feature isn't available on your account type yet. Insights are typically shown on professional accounts. Inside Insights, look for profile activity. Here you'll find the number of people who visited your profile. Think of this as your big picture traffic overview. You can usually adjust the time range at the top of the Insights screen to see how visits change over days or weeks, which is helpful for spotting trends after you post something new or change your bio. While you're here, you may also see related metrics like reach and impressions. Reach is the number of unique accounts that saw your content, while impressions are the total views, including repeats. Profile visits, however, focus specifically on how many people went to your profile page. To dig deeper into content performance, head back to your profile. Tap any photo or video you want to check. On that post, tap the three-line icon, then select Insights. This view breaks down how that specific post performed. Depending on the post type, you'll typically see how many users viewed or interacted with it, such as accounts reached, likes, comments, saves, shares, and for videos, plays. You may also see how many profile visits came from that post, which is a useful way to learn which content actually drives people to your profile. A quick reminder, Instagram does not show the names of profile visitors. Be cautious about third-party apps that claim they can reveal identities. They're often inaccurate and can put your account at risk. That's it. Use these insights regularly to learn what's working, refine your content, and grow your presence. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.